Hey guys, today I'm gonna introduce you to a game changer for tattoo artists. This Elite S7 Bluetooth Stencil printer. This beauty takes your design from iPad to skin in seconds. No cables, no mess. Ready to say goodbye to clunky old printers? Let's roll. Okay, let's crack this open. Wow, there's some Elite stickers and the packing bag. Let's take a look.
Wow.
It's portable. It's very portable. And also, when you go to a tattoo convention and travel tattoo, it's easy to carry to your bag. It's just like a lipstick in your bag. It's more lighter than a bottle of water, and this machine have a metallic texture and very lightweight, portable, and shiny. Then we put it aside. Let's check how to use this S7 printer. Let's go to the Elite Tattoo website. Let's see how to use this amazing printer. First, we enter the Elite Tattoo website. Select Elite Thermal Printer Download. The website provides Mac and Windows Bluetooth printers. This is the first in the tattoo industry. Supports wireless printing on Macs and Windows via Bluetooth. No cables or manual driver installation are required. Let's see where to download the manual. This manual explains the function of each button, where to download the app for corresponding system, and the indication status on the display screen. The first step is to search the Elite Stencil in App Store and download it. Click here to connect the printer and select Pocket S7. Long press the power button to start the printer. Click here to connect. And here will be a prompt when the connection is successful. In the tutorial, there is a complete tutorial on how to use it. Back to the home page, we have single printing and large image printing. Let's try the effect of single sheet printing. There are functions such as cropping, dimension, mirroring, adjusting, and filters. Try printing with dark density. The printing process is very quiet. This is the effect of Elite Stencil paper. Very sharp line, very clear. This is the effect of Spirit Stencil paper, which is also good, but the lines of Elite are more clear. Yes, That's all the S7 tutorial in this episode. What do you think of ED S7? Please leave a message in the comment area. We hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to us if you find it useful. Like, share, and comment. Share with your friends if they are interested in printing sharp lines. Thank you guys. See you next episode. Peace.